Buddy, are we okay? You've grown so long, I see. Yeah, nice to see you. Keep it on, I'll stay for tea. I think I'm going to sleep until Christmas. This is looks familiar to you, huh? Hunk? Yeah, Sonny and Luca. Oh yeah.
Ah, lovely.
I'm so glad you're not scared of me this year. This Christmas tree that I can't pull down, but I really want it. All of your presents.
Oh.
Can I take the tree?
No.
No? Why not?
Hi.
Who's gonna be last? Oh! Oh! Who is that guy? Wonderful.
Way.
Oh no, I won. So fair for the Grinch. Feliz Navidad. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. What are you going to ask for? Okay. And what are you going to ask for? You don't have to go. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Now, I hope you have a holly jolly Christmas. Have a good Christmas. Yeah.
Ah, lovely.
Is he ready now? Oh, you're scared me. What are you, some kind of wild animal? Look, I give you some hair.